Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide over tabs and remove battery. Then unscrew and remove access door. Now remove bottom base screws. Now press in tabs to separate and turn over keyboard. Then disconnect and remove keyboard. Now unscrew palm rest. Then disconnect cables and remove palm rest. Then pry up and remove CMOS battery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.